Welcome to Griffin Educare. Today let's learn how to prepare 0.1 molar NaCl solution. For it, the apparatus that you need are the volumetric flask, measuring cylinder, beaker, stirrer and spatula. Now the very first thing is weighing, how to weigh the NaCl solid. Now before it, you need to take a butter paper, take an appropriate measure of a butter paper, cut it and fold it from side to side so as to while you are weighing it, it won't spill out. Then keep the butter paper on the weighing machine and press the tear button, which will cancel out the weight of the butter paper. Then carefully weigh 0.6 gram of NaCl on the weighing machine. Every time whenever you work in the laboratory, take some safety precautions, that is wear hand gloves, wear lab coat, and if your hair are long, tie it above. Now the measured 0.6 gram that we have measured will dissolve in a small amount of water, distilled water first. So for that, total we need to prepare 100 ml. Total solution that we are going to prepare is 100 ml. First I'll measure out 50 ml. As we know, while measuring in a measuring cylinder for colorless liquid, we take lower meniscus. The lower meniscus of a colorless liquid will touch the desired mark or the desired measurement. So here I want to take 50 ml, so the lower meniscus of water will touch the 50 ml mark. Next thing is I'll take that 50 ml water and measured 0.6 gram of NaCl and will dissolve it with the help of a stirrer. Then after, I'll transfer that into the volumetric flask, 100 ml volumetric flask. Pour it very slowly, touching through the sides or walls of the volumetric flask to avoid any spillage, and carefully will then make up the volume by adding more of the distilled water till the mark of the volumetric flask. As you can see, the cylindrical mark that is present on the volumetric flask. Again, this solution is colorless, so for the colorless solution we will be taking lower meniscus. The lower meniscus will touch the mark present on the volumetric flask. Pouring very carefully through the walls of the container, or you can also make use of a pipette or dropper. Then now here our 0.1 molar NaCl solution is prepared. Always label the solution whenever after the preparation of the chemicals. Now for the calculation part, as we know, molarity is number of moles of solute upon volume of solution in liter. Now moles is given mass upon molecular weight. Substituting the moles formula into molarity, we would be getting molarity is equal to given mass upon molecular weight into volume in liter. Now as we know, 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So that means 1 ml would be 1 upon 1000 liter. So substituting that, our final formula would be molarity is equal to given mass into 1000 upon molecular weight into volume in ml. Now let's do our calculation for 0.1 molar NaCl solution. Taking the same formula. Now we want to prepare 0.1 molar NaCl in 100 ml. Okay, mark the volume that we need is 100 ml. Okay, and what again we need is, we need to measure the given mass, how much mass or how much gram we need to weigh. Molarity is already given, that is 0.1 molar, and molecular weight is mentioned on the bottle of the chemical, that is 58.44 gram. So taking the same value, that is molecular weight is equal to 58.44 gram and molarity is 0.1. Substituting all the values into the formula respectively, and after careful calculation we would get the answer, that is 0.58 gram, approximating it to 0.6 gram. That is 0.6 gram you need to weigh in order to prepare 0.1 molar NaCl solution.